Early in the morning, we got ready for our existing trip to Pinnavala Elephant Orphanage. We quickly booked a tuk-tuk from our lovely home and headed to Colombo Central Bus Stand.
කැන්ඩි බස් එකක් නම් තියෙනවා මේදී යන් යන ගිහිල්ලා කො කොතනද ගඩේ?
The weather was not at its best. Light rain fell from time to time, and dark clouds covered the sky. However, the journey was still beautiful. Along the way, we could see lush green landscape and peaceful countryside views everywhere. After a comfortable journey, we finally arrived at Pinnavala. As soon as we reached the entrance, we were surrounded by nature and refreshed green environment. The atmosphere was calm and welcoming. We were pleasantly surprised by the ticket prices. They were much more affordable than we had expected, making this amazing attraction accessible to many visitors. The zoo is home to many fascinating animals from around the world. Here, you can see colorful birds, playful monkeys, majestic deer, reptiles, and many other interesting species. Every section of the zoo offers something new to discover.
සෙට් එකක්ම ඉන්නවා. Hi.
Here we are the deer section of Pinnawala Zoo. These gentle and graceful animals are known for their calm nature and beautiful appearance. As you can see, the deer move freely around their spacious habitat, enjoying the peaceful environment. Their sharp senses help them detect danger quickly in the wild. Deer are herbivorous, which means they eat grass, leaves, fruits, and other plants. They play an important role in maintaining the balance of nature. Watching these elegant animals up close is a relaxing and memorable experience for visitors of all ages.
එන්න බයයිනේ.
Watching these amazing animals up close gives us a better understanding of their behavior and the importance of wildlife conservation.
මේක මතකෙද්දි මට මතක නේද ස්ටැලියන් ඔෆ් ද සිමරන් අවුව දකින්න එන්නේ දැක්කම පෙන්න පැනිල්ල
නටන වැඩි ඇති උඩින් පයින්න පුළුවන් දන්නේ නැහැ.
උඩින් පැන්නොත් විනාසයි.
ඒකේ අනිත් එක.
One of the most existing attractions is the bird aviary. Walking through this area feels like stepping into a world filled with vibrant color and beautiful bird songs. You can see many exotic birds flying freely around you. Pinnala Open Zoo is not only a place for entertainment but also center for education and wildlife conservation. It helps people learn about animals and the importance of protecting wildlife for future generations. These powerful predators may look slow, but they can move incredibly fast when hunting or defending themselves. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth make them excellent hunters. Crocodiles spend much of their time resting in the water or basking in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Seeing these ancient reptiles up close is both exciting and fascinating, giving us a glimpse into a creature that has survived since the age of dinosaurs.
Hey Matt, what's up? Soalnya pindah.
Bears are strong, intelligent animals known for their excellent sense of smell and curious nature. Although they look calm and friendly, they are powerful wild animals. These fascinating creatures spend their time exploring, searching for food, and resting in their habitat. As we continue exploring, we can see how well the animals are cared for. The zoo staff work hard to provide proper food, shelter, and medical care for every animal. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful journey through Pinnawala Open Zoo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to more travel and wildlife adventure.